Hey there guys, and welcome to section 7 of the course where we're going to be diving into integrations. Now, just to give you a bit of an explanation about the difference between an automation and the integration, we'll start with exactly what the two, we'll start with the definition of the two. So for instance, with regards to automations, it's typically things that are occurring internally within Monday.com, okay? Whereas when you are speaking about the integrations, typically the actions that are happening in Monday.com will affect a third party or an app, or maybe something in an app is happening and then it's affecting Monday.com. So pretty much the integrations revolve around dealing with external applications. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to create integrations. So, as before, you come back to the automate and you'll see the plug integrate. Click on that. Now, the unfortunate thing about the integrations is that we aren't able to build custom integrations. Not on a level that we're talking about. Obviously, there are ways to create your custom integrations, but that involves a bit of coding and things like that. So, for this purpose of this course, we're just going to be talking about the normal recipes that you're dealing with. So, typically with an integration, we have to use the recipes that have been given to us by the developers. Okay, so you can see all of your apps over here, pretty much, and then you'll also see certain apps using marketplace apps in Monday.com. I'll speak about that in a later section. So what you can do is you can say, well, I want to integrate Monday. Let's actually do Slack. Okay, so let's say that you want to deal with Slack. Okay, you click on the item and now suddenly you can see the recipes that we have here. So you can say when an item is created, notify in channel. When an update is posted, send it to channel. And you can see it's pretty much very similar to how we built the automations, and it's quite simple. Now, what you're going to do is that when you're going to create an integration, you typically will need to log into the account, you'll need the API, an authorization token, or something along the lines of that. So when you can go into the account, you can basically connect it. Okay. Now, one of the things that I also maybe want to mention is that you might be like looking at these icons and going, the app that I'm using that I want to integrate with Monday.com isn't here. So what you're going to do is you are going to use a tool called Zapier, or you might use a tool called Make. This allows you to connect with thousands of tools, and I use it constantly for a lot of my clients, because sometimes the integration that we need is far more than what is given to us in these recipes. So that is pretty much how the integrations work. Very simple. If you can think of one way that you can use it, try it out, connect it, and so on. And yes, I just hope this video gave you some good value, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.